In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Sam's Club complimentary membership in 2026. To get started, head over to the official Sam's Club website. Once you're there, the first thing you'll want to do is choose the membership plan that fits your needs. Sam's Club typically offers two main options. The club membership is the standard option and gives you access to shop both in-store and online. The Plus membership includes everything in the standard plan, along with extra benefits like free shipping on eligible online orders over a certain amount, rewards on qualifying purchases, early shopping hours, and additional savings on select services. Take a moment here to compare the benefits so you can decide which option makes the most sense for how you plan to shop. Next, decide how you'd like to join. You can sign up online directly through the official Sam's Club membership page, or you can go in person to the member services desk at a Sam's Club location. If you're doing this online, look for the join button and continue from there. If you prefer in-person help, enrolling at the store can be a good option, especially if you want assistance during the process. After that, you'll need to enter your information into the registration form. This usually includes your full name, mailing address, and other standard account details needed to create your membership. Be sure to type everything carefully so there are no issues later with your account setup or verification. Once your details are entered, select the membership tier you want to activate. Before moving on, review the annual membership fee and double-check the included benefits. This is a good time to confirm you're choosing the right plan before payment is submitted. Then add your payment method. You'll need a valid credit or debit card to pay for the annual membership. During this step, you may also see the option to enroll in automatic renewal. If that appears, make sure you read it carefully and choose the option you prefer. Now you're ready to complete your registration. Review all of your information one more time, then submit your application. After the payment is processed successfully, your membership will become active. Finally, access your membership card. You can download the Sam's Club app and use your digital membership card right away, which is often the fastest and most